Hey, if you wonder how you can charge the Redmi Watch 4, so first of all you have to locate the gold pins. They are actually located right here next to the sensor in this place. And we'll have to put there the charger. So the charger is actually located in the box. Just right here, we have to just open it and get the charger. So I just take it off from the box, and in my case, that's how it looks. So as you can see from here, we have to put this gold pins into this place like this. There we go. And now this second end of the cable you can plug, for example, into the charging brick of your smartphone. So in my case, I have the this simple Huawei charger from my old phone, Huawei P30 Pro, and it is actually working without any issue. So we have to plug this cable right here, for example, and then plug it into the power supply, the charger brick. Also, you can plug this cable into your power bank, or for example PC or laptop, or even the game console. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.